In the last video, we added the nav bar.
In this video, we're going to add an embedded video and add the main title text. To add the title text, add a main tag. Inside the main tag, we will add a section tag with the ID About Us. Next, we will add an H1 with the text Rayan and Sai code. Next, we'll add a paragraph with encourage, educate, empower through code. And then we close the section tag.
Once we run this will look something like this. Next, still within the main tag, we will add a section with the ID of videos. In between the section tags, we will add an each one with the title of our video. In this case, learn how to make an HTML form. After closing the H1 tag, we will add a div with the class of video. Now, if you go to any YouTube video, you can see that there's an option called share. Once you click on share, there's something called embed. And when you click here, it gives you some code. Now, if you copy and paste this code into this div, save and run, then as you can see, the video comes up. Now that we have embedded our video, we have to close the div, and then close the section, and finally close the main.
That's it for this video. In the next video, we're going to add the photo gallery.
Thanks for watching!